In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Secure VPN app not working on your phone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are experiencing any challenge with your app, maybe your app can't open or it keeps on hanging, or if it opens, it takes a lot of time or even crashes, then let me show you how you can fix this. In the first method, we're going to access the app info, and to do this, just long press on your app and then tap on app info here. This will take us to Secure VPN app info page, and for this tutorial I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. At this point, we need to go ahead and first clear the app data, more especially the cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see we have a breakdown of data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. However, the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So to fix this, just go ahead and tap on clear data and then choose the second option, clear cache, and okay. Now you can see the cache files have been cleared. At this point, start your smartphone and then open your app. In most cases, this should be enough to fix any issues you are experiencing. However, should you still have any challenge with the app, you need to go ahead again and on app info, this time around, go ahead and choose clear all data and then okay. At this point, this should have fixed your problem. However, should you still find any challenge with the app, you need to go ahead and look for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Play Store. I'll go ahead and search for the app, look for any update if it is available. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of Secure VPN app that is not supported. So to get the latest version, go ahead and update it. But in most cases now, this should have fixed any issue with your app. But should your app keep on crashing, then you need to go ahead and uninstall this app from your phone and then go ahead and install it afresh. So by following any of these methods, now your app should be up and running without any issue on your smartphone. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.